Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression, and the quiz contains the basic operation plus minus multiplication and division. So we have to see this quiz using PAMDAS and board math method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers, which is A is 12, B is 16, C is 18, and D is 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules, which is BOD math and PAMDAS. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis. So first of all, you have to solve that part first in your expression. Rule number two is basically after the bracket, you have to say the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power or exponent, so you have to solve after the bracket that one. Rule number three is basically you have to solve division and multiplication in your expression. So what you can do, first of all, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out same precedence, division and multiplication. Actually, both has the same precedence, so you have to solve any of them. Which is coming first? If you go left to right, so see which operation is coming, you have to solve that one first. Step number 4 is basically you have to see addition and multiplication. So what you can do is, first of all, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which operation addition is coming first to subtraction. So now move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have here one bracket. So according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So this one we have to solve first. And here we will write 16 plus 4 multiplied by 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. Minus 16 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. Now move forward. Step number 2, find out exponent part. In our expression, we do not have any exponent part, so we will skip this step. Step number 3 we will solve now, which is division and multiplication. Simultaneously, we will solve division and multiplication because it has the similar precision. So we will go left to right in our expression, and now move forward. See which is coming first. So this is the 4 multiplied by 4. We will solve this one. 16 plus 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 minus 16. And here we will give the reference 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right. Now we will see we do not have any division and multiplication. So what we will do, now we will solve addition. This one. We will solve this one, which is 16 plus 16, which is equal to 32. And minus 16, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 16 multiplied by 16. 16 plus 16 equals to 32. Now we have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So the answer of the given expression is 16. So if you see the answer list, answer B is the correct answer. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye.